Hey guys, welcome to competitive programming series with Apex. So in this video series, you would be learning about the how Apex works and the various data structures that are required and various we would be solving various problems and moving further. The topic that we would be starting for today is your arrays or lists. So basically I have divided these things into various modules like arrays, searching, sorting, and thereafter the other algorithms as well, because these are very necessary as per your interview point of view, and as well as your basic logical ability to think and get a solution over problems. Okay, so getting started with this, guys. So basically, is there any difference between your arrays and lists if we are talking specifically to Apex? So basically, arrays in Apex are similar to lists. Why it is similar? Because there is no logical distinction between arrays and lists because of the internal data structure. Basically, the internal data structure for these are the same, so both can be used interchangeably. So the time complexity and the space complexity for your array or your list is same for Apex. The only difference here is the syntax. Your Apex is having a Java like sorry, your array is having a Java like syntax, and that's the main difference for now. Okay, so what is the question for the day? Basically, we would be starting with the least difficult question, that is to reverse an array or list in Apex. So how to do that is we would be going to our developer console. So guys, I have created a Apex class named as reverse list, and in this I have created a array and another as a list. So basically the difference here you could see is in the syntax only. Rest is the same. So it supports the add operation like the list dot add, and we could add the element. We could use the list dot add to add the element at a specified index as well. Okay, like the element and the position or the index. So we could use that as well. List has various methods as well. As list.clear is to clear your entire list, as well as other methods. But for now we are just concerned about how we could interchangeably use these list or array. So basically I'm working with this syntax. I like this better. So see, first of all, how you could create a list of numbers. So you could add number list dot add, and you could have your element like 1, and similarly uh, in here 2, in here 3, 5 and 4. And this is one method. But what if I want to get a pre-populated list? So what I would be doing is I would be going in here, and I would be doing this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so basically this is the given array. So it is looking like this 1 2 3 4 and 5. Basically indexing works as the same, 0 to n minus 1. And so for your understanding, what I would be doing is I would be first creating a method. So public static void reverse reverse me, and in this method what we would be doing is we would be making use of this list, else we could have uh, passed the parameters from the uh, uh, method as well. So uh, but for now what we are doing is we are hard coding this thing. So these can be used, but the main funda for now is the understanding part of you. If you understood this, then the things would be more streamlined for you all, guys. Okay, So list of integers. So what you could be doing is, for integer I is equal to number list dot is there a length function in here? Let us try. I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. And in here what we would be doing is we would be creating a new array. So list of integer new array is equal to new list of integer. Okay, and new array dot add, we would be adding the data. Let me increase the font size, guys. I think that this might not pose a problem, but no issues. So let us see that what is saying. See, method does not exist or incorrect type length. So we could not use the array function that we used till now. So what could we do? Size. Yes, guys. The number list dot size, and now what we would be doing is new array dot add number list of I. Okay, so yes, this is saved, and we could be do is system dot debug new reversed arrays, new array. Okay, and we could save this, and what we could use is the anonymous window. We could, what we would be doing is reverse list dot reverse me, and open log execute. So list index out of bound system list exception, line number 8 column number 1. So why this came is, let me explain you guys. Actually, guys, what is the issue here was, it was with the list dot size minus 1. Why minus 1? Because the array based indexing starts from 0, and the last element would be at the n minus 1th position instead of the nth position. Okay, so that why it was giving us an error. Let us check. So going here, debug only. So the new reverse list is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I hope you understood this video, and there are other methods as well to reverse a list. So basically now talking about the time complexity for this operation, that is your big O of n. Why big O of n? I'm saying, guys, because of this for loop. Since if we have 50 elements, this loop would have run for over 50 times. Okay, so this is the time complexity that is involved in here, though there are other operations as well that we would be understanding in the further coming videos, when you would be have a hands-on with such kind of problems. So I hope you understood this video, and if you are facing any doubts related to any of the topics, you could comment down below. And thanks for watching, and do tell me that was this video good, or we should proceed with other topics, or we should skip this competitive series. Okay, so we would be meeting in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.